Hi, and today it has been so hot that I decided to show you how to make mango and raspberry popsicles. I don't like popsicles, but I'm making this for my children because they love popsicle. So I'm going to be using my hand blender. So to my jar, I'm going to add my diced mangoes. I'm using 1 mango. Maembe zimeishaisha, so hii ni embe dodo. And it's very sweet. Then to this I'm going to add frozen raspberries. As you can see, they're frozen. I usually keep my fruits frozen if I'm not using immediately, so I just freeze them. So as you can see, they are very chilled, so I'm using a handful of them, not so much. I don't want to mess with the sweetness from the mango. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of honey just to sweeten things up. 1 tablespoon of honey. I have my cute popsicle maker that I bought from Carrefour. I don't know if they are still in stock, but I guess you can find them at any stock supermarket. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons. Then I'll blend. I'm going to fill my popsicle maker with my smoothie, and then I'm going to also add a few a few pieces of the raspberries in the popsicle. Then we're going to freeze overnight. Then I'm going to use a skewer and push the raspberries inside, so that we can make it even more interesting and colorful. So you can add more raspberries. Then I'm going to fill my popsicles. Then I'm going to place the tops. And freeze. And I have some leftover of the smoothie, as you can see, so I'm going to enjoy this. So good.